Black male diets are terrible, and they're affecting and killing and doing all kind of things to our black males. I have a friend that is 4 years older than me, and he had open heart surgery a couple of weeks ago. So we went from having a conversation of him ordering meal prep for me to lose 15 to 30 pounds, and 2 months later, we're at open heart surgery.
Well, I think as a black male in particular, we need to be very, very serious about taking care of our health, physically and mentally. We are humans, and regardless, we should be very serious about our health because we have to be strong physically and mentally to take care of ourselves. If not, then we cannot take care of our family, our community, etc. If we're falling apart, how what good are we going to be to someone else?
Yes, and so specifically for Black men, mental health is primary because if you are coming from a spiritual point or even marriage, or just really, I apply this to everyone. If men are supposed to be the head of the household, if they're supposed to be the protector and the provider, then you need to have mental capacity. You need to have stability to be able to provide provision for your family. You need to be able to control emotions, because a part of protecting and providing is managing the emotions of the people that are under your leadership. And so your mental health is important. We have to make sure that that's stable. We have to make sure that you're able to think and hear from the Most High. And if you're not in a stable place, then you can't truly protect and provide in an efficient manner. So that's why mental health is important for men.
Well, your health is your number one. That's something that you have to take care of first, because if you don't take care of your health, then the rest of it you won't be able to do anything about. So I would say your health is number one. Number one priority is your health. And that simply means that take care of yourself, try to eat well, try to have a good diet, which consists of lots of vegetables and fruit juice and stuff like that. And one of the main things is to get plenty of rest. Get at least Try to get at least 6 or 7 hours of rest each day, because that's the time when the body repairs itself. That's very Rest is very important.
A lot of men are experiencing erectile dysfunction because of their diet, and it's getting to the point now that they're just using making excuses for it now. So it used to be old school that they'd be like, "Oh my God, I gotta get to the doctor. I gotta figure out what's going on. If my other member is not working, then I'm not a whole person." But now that's going to the wayside too. Black males are not eating fruits and vegetables. If they are, these are the ones that they're eating: broccoli, greens with a bunch of sodium and meat and salt meat and stuff like that. Um, Potatoes, maybe asparagus if they go out for date night and they have a steak with it. So it's mashed potatoes and asparagus. And if they're eating a salad as a meal, it's loaded with eggs and chicken and heavy dressings and cheese and all of that stuff that they shouldn't have. So um, really want us to take another look at how we're eating. And some of the stuff that we grew up eating is some of the stuff that we don't have to continue eating.
It's important to me because I have a son that's a black man. Um, and I want him to be healthy all around. Black men, because of the stress of living in America, have a whole lot more diseases, so they have to be more proactive, and we need to find a way to make taking care of their mental health okay. If that's not taken care of, even though your body may be healthy, if you're suffering from too much stress, too much anger, too much grief, you aren't going to function properly. And in my mind, it's responsible for a lot of hurt and violence that goes on.